What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about Jasmy, which has had quite a pump today. As you can see, 25% up in the last 25 hours, currently trading at 0.007034. So we're going to be going through its next target. Is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to drop back down in value? Also covering both buyers and sellers' point of view. Is it time to buy it? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit? Or is it just time to hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video as well, and looking at its short-term and long-term prediction. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So the market is unfortunately down 2%, as you guys can see here. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Litecoin, all of them are down today. However, Jasmy has managed to gain a spot in the top gainers list, meaning it's performing quite well. In the last hour itself, yes, it has dropped 5%. However, over the last 24 hours, or even outside over the last probably about 8 to 10 hours, is gained a massive 25%. As you can see, major pump, little drop, major pump, little drop. There's been a repeated cycle, and it's likely to carry on over the next couple of hours as well. But the main question is, how high is it going to go? So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 900% in the last 24 hours, making it $398 million in trading, meaning a lot more people are starting to trade the crypto right now. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers. In general, just a lot of people trading it right now, as it has been gaining a lot of attention, meaning a lot more people are looking into it. And obviously, we are going to see a lot of investors as well. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But again, as mentioned in all my Jasmy videos, whenever you got Jasmy, it's not really a good idea to have the Fibonacci scale. But anyways, I'll get into that later on. What we're going to do is bring on the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy here in purple at 0.005439 cents. However, it is trading at much higher value here in green at 0.007038, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking quite steep, and again we can see the blue line is slowly starting to head downwards towards the negative direction, and we do have the orange line, it's still looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. However, what I am expecting is for it to repeat again, another pump in value, and then a little drop, pump in value, a little drop, getting very close to about 0.0085 to 0.009 cents is what I'm expecting. But again, don't expect a major pump or a major increase in value, because as mentioned plenty of times, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and the exact same applies to Jasmy. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we've got the blue and the orange now looking very steep, heading towards the bullish direction, meaning it is not realistic. The only reason why we're seeing steep lines heading towards the bullish side is because of the major increase that's just taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, is going to keep going up in value, so on and so on. However, that is not the case. I'm expecting Jasmy to take a little drop down over the next couple of days. So but let's say towards the end of next week, I am expecting Jasmy to be trading around 0.006 cents, somewhere around here, next to near its SMA indicator. The purple figure you see here is where I'm expecting it to be trading at by the end of next week. So yes, an overall decrease in value is what I'm expecting. So do expect slow and steady drops in value over the coming days. And again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting red days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have green days when it's up, red days when it's down, but it just means the red days are going to overtake the green days, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected. Now, Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? We've got the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Jasmy over the coming weeks. So here I'm talking about, let's say, late March, early April 2023. Overall increase in value is expected from Jasmy, and yes guys, I'm expecting it to go past the 1 cent target by early April to mid-April as well. Of course, depending on how the crypto market performs. For example, if we go for a major crash or a major bull run, these things will have a potential impact not just on the value of Jasmy but the whole crypto market in general. But if I am able to predict such thing, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good for Jasmy for the long term, especially. For the short term, as I mentioned earlier, I am expecting it to take a little step back. So yes, those of you who are looking to invest for short term right now, I would say is a very risky time. However, if you believe that it can pump further, then go for it. I'm not here to say, you know, buy it or don't buy it. I'm just here to give you guys my prediction on the crypto. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you guys can see, we are literally trading in the lowest part of the red zone, and for us to even hit the resistance target here, we need to hit $1.18, and for us to go from about half a cent all the way to $1.18 is going to require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting from Jasmy anytime soon, even in the next couple of years. So yes, we are stuck in the red zone for the next few years at least before we start to hit the $1 mark. But again, as long as we slowly and steadily start to head upwards, we should be good to go. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Jasmy. So I'm going to get rid of the Fibonacci scale. And if any of you guys are looking to get daily updates on the crypto market and especially Bitcoin, what you guys can do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, guys. So there is literally a limited amount of space left before it expires. So make sure you're quick if you guys want to join. So what does this subscription exactly include? So you're going to get put into 2 group chats. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on Bitcoin, on what to expect, what to predict, and also answer other questions that you guys may ask, such as analysis and predictions on other cryptocurrencies. Yes, don't mind the figure of Bitcoin here. This is a screenshot from about last year, but yeah, you get the gist of what happens. Any questions, any queries, send me a DM on Instagram. If not, the link is again in the description box down below. And yeah guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. Just a quick one on Jasmy. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k, and at the end of the day, it's free to subscribe. So why not go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.